Hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com, and what we're doing today is going over our editor for the Gigbuilder games trivia. What we're going to show you is a very fast way to generate your trivia games. And so in the Gigbuilder games, you can also get this in Gigbuilder. We create a template. This is my test trivia template, and for the purposes of this discussion, I'm just doing 3 rounds. So, game status, I activate round 1. I have 5 questions. General knowledge, there's no wager, just 1 point each, and these are going to be true and false. The second one is activated as well. It's 5 questions, and it's name that tune. The wager is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, since we have 5 questions. And we're going to do music guest title, and we're going to do a country genre. The third one we're also activating. It's going to be science and technology, 5 questions, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Standard Q&A, which would be standard, etc. And of course there's no filters with that, so when we save that and we go back to our dashboard, the next thing we simply can do is customize the game. So we've actually go over and we open up our actual event here, and this is the event that I'm working on right now. And on this particular event we go down to this button called Customize, and Customize will automatically build your game, and it will automatically add questions for you. And literally, if you just wanted to leave at this particular point, you'd be good to play your game. But this is where it comes in, and this is where people have a lot of problems. It can take hours and hours to build it. So this is basically built it in based upon our template. And so the yellow ribbon is warned to recognize the struggle that men and women face when battling cancer. It is not correct, but I don't like that question, so I can hit new. And when I hit new, it'll go back to the database. It'll look in there, and it will find something else within that particular category. And so you can use that if you want to get those questions. You can click on custom and you can generate your own question if you'd like. So you can redo these with all your own questions. And finally, we can search. So I can search the entire keyword. I might want to search the word, I don't know, let's look at the word for thunder. What do we got for thunder out there? I hit search, and immediately I come up with some questions, and this is the one I want. So I click that, it automatically saves, reloads, and you can see the question changed. We can do the same thing with music. We have name that tune. We do have songs here, so you can't listen to the songs if you don't like it. But you know what? I don't like this song. So I can hit new, just like I do with everything else, and it will pull in a number on my own, like Macklemore Downtown. Okay, I like that one. Everything looks good. Finally, I go to game 3. This is the simple answer trivia. Same thing, a skeleton generally returned by looking at the curvature of on the bone, hip bone. I don't know. I'm going to have a hard time saying this word here, so I'm just going to go with a new question. And there you go. What TV show set the fictional town of Pawnee, Indiana, Parks and Recreation? That is all you have to do to build a game. And so if we actually simply go back now, and I'll just get out of the game, we've made some changes, and I can literally turn my host console on now, and I can play the game. So I hit start round. There it is. There's the question that we just put in there. We know it's false, and we can keep going. Next question, next question. There they all are. We get done with all the questions. The round's complete. It now wants me to score. It brings up all the scores, so I can bring up my team scores real quickly. Then we can review, because then we're going to go ahead and put these on the screen, etc. And we're ready for the next game. We'll go ahead and start the next game. I'll start the round. Here's a name that tune. Downtown Macklemore. If you want to, you can play the song. Well, you have to play the song to listen to. And this will automatically, actually not going to play it here. You're going to play it when you do the rest. So anyway, you go through that. You go through the whole games. You can run the trivia. We haven't gotten the screens up for the patrons and things like that, but the full trivia game is ready to roll, and you can do that now. So those of you who are in beta, you can go ahead and go into the bar games and start your own trivia. Hope this helps somebody.